There's something coming. Looks like the local. Local train L555 the main channel on YouTube on this Monday, June 26, 2023. The train starts out in Champaign, Illinois, heads to Gilman, Illinois. Once it starts a couple industries. It'll head back south to Gilman, Illinois, and it just cleared the signal. Head back south to Champaign, Illinois. It's heading north to Gilman, Illinois, where it terminates. It's on Monday, June 26, 2023. We probably have more trains to come. Here comes the next video. Roll it. And let's roll it.